Hello, welcome to Tarot with Chiva. Welcome. So this reading is for May 2026. This is general reading. And also, this is Sun, Moon, Rising, as well as Venus placement. Only takes what resonates and leave what doesn't. So, first babasahan natin ang ating Virgo. Okay, so remember Virgo, this reading is only general reading. Only takes what resonates. And if it's not resonate, it simply means it's for someone else. Okay, so Virgo, titignan natin yung near, past mo, current energy, and future energy. But this is general reading lang. And if you want extended reading, you can message me here to book your personal or private reading, or you can go to my profile and go to the link that it's in my bio. Alright, so let's start for Virgo. For Virgo. Okay. Okay, nakikita ko dito, no? Sa iyong near past no Virgo, nakikita ko dito sa pagdating sa relationship, sa communication with your partner, no Virgo, nakikita ko dito is medyo yung parang pagiging committed mo sa relationship. It's yung parang tines ka, no? Tines ka. And then, currently, may mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo noon, ngayon is nagsisimula na siyang bumunga. No? And then, sa iyong near future, sinasabi dito is maganda na you step out of your comfort zone and start naman mag-explore. No, Virgo? Kumbaga, it seems like from your past until now is nandun ka lang kung saang circle ka, no? Kumbaga, the universe wants you to expand a little bit ng konti. No? So, yun yung nakikita ko. And nakikita ko sa yung near future is you're gonna have, because you have the North Node, you're gonna have a stability, no? And then, currently, situation is nakikita ko dito is makikita mo na yung mga bunga ng iyong mga pinaghirapan, no? But we will still go deep on this reading for Virgo. So, ano tong commitment na tines sa'yo? Sa iyong near past. Sa iyong past. Ano ito? For Virgo. Virgo commitment is being tested. What is this? Tell me what is this, please. Okay. So you have the King of Pentacles. Yes, it looks like Virgo, no, you are working too much sa iyong current past, no? Sobra-sobra yung pagtatrabaho mo, no? Na halos ma-drain na yung iyong physical, no? Especially pati yung iyong mental. Para sa mga taong mahal mo, no? Yun nga, yun yung current past na nakikita ko dito. And I feel like, no, well, ito naman yung nagpapasaya sa'yo. Yung natutulungan mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Kahit medyo nadidrain ka na, no? Okay. So, current. Current. Okay, kunin ko na yun. Okay, so meron ka ditong the Six of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, nakikita ko dun sa past mo, no? Mas maganda is mag self-reflection ka daw from the past, no? Because yung mga pinaghirapan mo noon, this is the right moment for you, no? Virgo, para simulan naman is yung para sa'yo, no? So, nakikita ko dito kay Wheel of Fortune, no, na kailangan mong ngayon i-balance yung iyong routine, no, when it comes to giving your energy to work sa mga tao na, no, sa family mo or sa mga anak mo or sa iyong partner, no. I think this is the right time or this is the right moment na mag self-reflect ka, no, kung saan mo lang dapat ibigay yung energy mo, no, because you're being focused to your work, you're being busy to your work, and nakikita ko dito is naapektuhan din yung iyong, not just you, also yung relationship mo sa mga taong nasa paligid mo, no. Okay, so what about the future? Step out of your comfort zone. What about your future? Let me see. Okay. What about the step out of your comfort zone for Virgo? Yes, the Ace of Cups, nice. No, maganda sa in your near future, no, Virgo, is you stay practical, no? You stay practical, which is your practical person naman. Yes, you have the Ace of Cups and you have the Four of Wands. Yes, meron kang stability na darating sa iyong future, Virgo. And that's positive, no? That's positive for you because you have the Ace of Cups and you have the Four of Wands, no? Very positive in the near future, no? So, nakikita natin dito, yes, all you have to do is you maintain your practicality, yes, but you have to at least self-reflect and think about of your time and routine, no? Yun yung nakikita ko dito. And I feel like yung routine talaga when it comes to your time management. Kasi, no, mukhang hindi mo masyadong nabibigyan ng tamang or ng kahit yung mag-enjoy ka lang, no, kasama yung iyong family, hindi mo masyadong nabibigyan ng oras kasi nga you are busy, no, masyadong madami sa plate mo, no. So meron ka rito another 10 of Cups and the Devil card. So this is your advice, no. So for your advice, Virgo, sa iyong current past is, I think medyo nagkaroon ka ng obsession when it comes to something, no. Kumbaga, let me say na lang na nagkaroon ka ng obsession sa sobrang pagtatrabaho or something na nag-overthink ka, no. Nag-overthink ka masyado, naging parang ginawa mo ng routine yung pag-iisip ng sobra-sobra, no. Yes. And then nakaramdam ka din ng mga parang powerless dahil nga syempre siguro na-drain na yung iyong isip at yung iyong katawan, no? Okay, so sobra ka nag-work for maybe because you really want to yung mag-provide, doon sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, no? Okay. So, which is, naintindihan naman ng iyong family member or your iyong loved ones, no? Naintindihan naman nila. But, of course, this is the advice, no? Kailangan hindi lang yung intindihin na busy ka. Kailangan intindihin din nila, no? Nila na kailangan mo ding ng pahinga, no? Yun yung nakikita ko. And that's your advice and advice for your current situation energy. You have the Fool. Kailangan mo ng bagong simula. Yes, beginning, no? Katulad nga ng sabi, no? Because kanina, meron kang the Wheel of Fortune. And then, lumabas sa advice mo si the Fool, no? Si the Fool is about freedom, no? It's about adventure. It's about idealism. It's about beginning, si Fool. So, yes, no? Try na magkaroon ng freedom, no? Sa sarili mo. Yung hindi mo hino-hold, no? Yung masyado yung sarili mo na sa mga obligation mo sa buhay, obligation mo sa mga family mo, kung paano ka magpo-provide sa kanila, no? I think maganda is yung bigyan mo ng freedom yung sarili mo, na bigyan pa ng mas maraming time yung sarili mo. Because nakikita ko dito is, if you are going to stay where you at before, no, and then you will keep doing it, Virgo, ang mangyayari dito is yung ma-drain ka, no? And damay-damay na yan. Magkakaroon ka ng financial risk, no? Yes. So, so try to, I think, is change that cycle, change that routine. So, para yung abundance, yung mga opportunities na dapat pumasok sa'yo, pumasok na talaga, no? No? So, okay, so let me give you advice sa iyong near future. The Four of Wands again, double. And the Ace of Swords, clarity, no? O breakthrough, new ideas, new vision. So, isa yung near future, Virgo, I can see that there is a plenty and big chance to have stability. Only if you will change this current energy, no? No. It is okay to help. It is okay to provide. That's how you are, no? Masaya ka dyan. But, of course, you also have to think about yourself, yung sarili mo sa ano mangyayari sa'yo in the future, no, Virgo? Wow. You have the double Ten of Cups, and you have the double Ace, and you also have the double of Four of Wands, which is celebration and harmony, financial stability, and also stability and security, no? Breakthrough, clarity din. Meron ka rin clarity. Meron kang financial breakthrough. Yun yung nakikita ko dito, mga opportunities na pwedeng dumating sa'yo. So, congratulations. But, before you achieve those breakthrough, those stabilities, those financial or security, no? Bago mo yan ma-achieve, Virgo, kailangan baguhin mo muna yung routine mo, no? Kasi ang isang earth sign, as a earth sign, Virgo, masyadong ang mga earth sign is grabe magtrabaho, no? Talagang grabe magtrabaho, grabe magdisiplina when it comes to work, no? Work lang ng work, but of course, no? Hindi lang sa Virgo ko to sasabihin, sa lahat ng earth sign, because you guys are really working too much for the past few years. Okay, so before we close your video, let me give you a manifesting card for Virgo. for Virgo, please. Manifesting card for this reading, please. Okay, so dalawa yung lumabas. Kukunin ko yung nasa taas. Okay, for Virgo, embracing joy. Okay, pause ko dyan, no? Divine love flows through and around you, or me, attracting everything my soul needs. As I nurture my inner light, I embody love and joy. I now welcome the happiness and beauty that blossom from all I have sown. Okay, you can screenshot this one, Virgo. And thank you and see you in my next video.